and welcome to another Live with Leah. I am so excited to be on site here today because I get to introduce a new project up in beautiful Burke Mountain, and that is Amber Gate by JPS Developments. The excavator has arrived on site and demolition will be taking place very soon. But in the meantime, I'm super excited. We get to go down to the presentation center and meet our awesome sales staff. So just before we continue on to the presentation center, I really wanted to stop at one of the great features of the neighborhood, which is Queenston Park. Queenston Park is one of two parks that are right beside Amber Gate, and this one has a playground, basketball hoop, pretty much anything you could want for a young family. So welcome to our Amber Gate presentation center. Let's go check out the project. So what's so great about coming into our presentation center is you get to take a look at the model, and it just provides context for the entire project. So right on the corner of Queenston and Sobol, you can see the daycare that's on site. And what the developers have done is they've partnered with the daycare to allow the purchasers at Amber Gate to have priority access. Right across from this preschool is Smiling Creek Elementary, and then just down here across the street from Queenston is Queenston Park. So we're here with Harry Fox, our sales coordinator, here to tell us a little bit about the project.
Yeah, welcome to Amber Gate. This is a collection of 52 stackable and city townhomes, about halfway up Burke Mountain, comprised of 3-bedroom and den, and 4-bedroom and den homes, ranging from 1,400 square feet to about 1,800 square feet. We have garden level homes and rooftop level homes, so there's something for pretty much everybody here.
So when you say urban townhome, what does that mean?
So an urban townhome or a city townhome is actually two homes comprised into one. So what we have is a garden level home, and we also have a rooftop level home. So it provides both families with multi-level living, with a bit of extra density with the land that we've been given, and it also provides us with a bit more of affordability for families to be able to actually live in this area that is the beautiful Burke Mountain. So here we are in the kitchen, nice and spacious. Every homeowner can enjoy quartz countertops, LG appliances, and you have the choice of the dark color scheme or the light color scheme. At our presentation center, we're also showcasing our beautiful, spacious 5-piece ensuite, which includes the double vanity, nice big bathtub, and a frameless walk-in shower. All of our en-suites at Amber Gate feature these cool LED mirrors to set the tone in your en-suite.
So just before we leave for the day, I just wanted to touch on a couple more things at Amber Gate that make these homes so special. So first of all of our homes come with 2 parking. We understand the need for busy families to have multiple cars, and Amber Gate has thought of that. Things like waterproof vinyl floors makes it so that your home has the longevity that you need. All of the homes at Amber Gate come equipped with AC. As our summers get hotter, that becomes more important. And then you walk outside your home and you're greeted by a great community space that has a playground, barbecue area, fire pit, all in a central courtyard. Another perk for all of our Amber Gate homeowners is for a limited time, we're offering 1 year free strata on the purchase of every home. As a reminder, my name is Leah with Pilot House Project Marketing, and we're so excited to be able to keep you up to date on what's happening at Amber Gate in the next couple months.